Hello everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. Today I would like to share with you how I made fried rice with salted duck eggs. The salted duck eggs adds a very nice flavor to the fried rice. I have here about 150 grams of shrimps, 2.5 pieces of Chinese sausage, about 5 cups of cooked rice that was a leftover from yesterday. I will add a little bit of salt, maybe 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper to the shrimp. Mix well and set aside. Soak the salted duck egg into water for 5 to 10 minutes to remove the sands from the outside. After all the black sands wash off from the eggs, I will put these eggs, we'll boil them for about 20 to 25 minutes. I have here 1 medium-sized shallot and 2 green onions. I'm just cutting up the white portions of the green onions and chop up the shallots. Cut the Chinese sausage into smaller pieces. Add the Chinese sausage to a hot pan. Fry them for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, as you can see, the outer part turned brown. I will scoop them out onto a plate and set aside. Add 1/3 of the shallot and the white portions of the green onions onto the pan. Saute them for about 20 to 30 seconds. Add the shrimps. After 5 minutes, the shrimp just turn pink. Remove them onto a plate and set aside. Mince up the boiled salted duck eggs. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat the pan for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the rest of the onions and the shallots. Saute it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Add the rice. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add about half a cup of frozen vegetables that have been thawed to room temperature. Mix well. The soy sauce will add a little bit of color to the rice. Add the Chinese sausage and the shrimps. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Mix well. Add the minced salted duck eggs. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Mix well. Add the green onions, and the rice is ready to be served. Here's my delicious fried rice with salted duck egg. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks again for watching.